Now here we have to use Prim's algorithm to determine a minimum spanning tree. Remember that a tree is a connected graph with no cyclers. So if we had A and B and C, that would be a tree. But if we join it up like that, that wouldn't be a tree because it's got a cycle. The cycle is where you can move out like that. So a minimum spanning tree. A spanning tree has to include all the vertices, and a minimum spanning tree has to make the total length of the arcs as small as possible. So Prim's algorithm says choose any vertex to start the tree. Well, they tell you to start at A, so let's put A here. And then it says select an arc of least weight that joins a vertex that's already in the tree. Well, A is in the tree so far. So least weight that joins A to a vertex that's not in the tree. So what's the smallest number coming out of A? Is it 30 or is it 31? Well, it's clearly 30. So AC is going to be the first arc that's in the tree. So let's join A to C. That's 30. Now let's repeat that step. Select an arc of least weight that joins a vertex that's already in the tree to a vertex that's not yet in the tree. So what's the smallest number now that's coming out of A or C to another vertex? Well, it's clearly this number 22, so CD is the next one to be included. So CD is 22. Now what's the smallest number from A or C or D? Well, it's clearly DE, 18. So DE, that's 18. So let's put E in there, that's right. Now what's the smallest number now coming out of A, C, D or E? And that's the 24 from B to D. So the next one is B to D, so let's put that in there, that's 24. Now the next smallest number, we don't include CE at this point, remember. CE is 24, and that's smaller than the one we're about to choose, but CE would make a cycle, so we're not going to choose that. The next one's going to be 26 from E to G. The next smallest one is from G to F, which is 21. So that's F there, that's 21, there we go. And then finally we need GH, which is going to be 33. So to fit everything in, I've moved F and H around a little bit, but this is not a map. This is just meant to show the configuration of the tree. This question also asks for the weight of the tree, and if you add up those numbers you get 174, and it's kilometres.